Okay, so just posted a video, but I've been getting a lot of questions because I posted the photos to Instagram. How do you do the split on Instagram? So it's like when you, whatever, I can't even be fucked explaining it. It literally takes 2 seconds. Let's open up a photo here, right now in Photoshop. We're gonna come down to the crop tool here, where you can just press C. Make sure you have slice tool selected. Draw a box here until you see the click in the middle. So there's a little purple line, little purpley pink line that sort of rocks up there. That shows the center of the image. That's it, that's all you need to do. File, export, save for web. Make sure this is set to JPEG, quality 100. I'm just gonna change the pixel size so it's not like a ridiculous file size, maybe something like that. Save, and just save it to whichever folder you want. And if you see here in your folder, you have 2 split images. Okay, I probably should have 8x10 cropped this because you can see here there's like movement at the top of the bottom. I'm just gonna put the photo right down to the bottom right here. Same as this one, there you go. Perfect. And that's how you do it. If you did like this video, leave a like down below. Help me out by hitting subscribe. But with that all said and done, have a shit one. I can't remember if I said that at the start, so have a shit one.